Hey everyone, in this video, I'll help you troubleshoot and fix the issue of your VTech DECT 6.0 phone not receiving calls. Let's get it sorted step by step. Verify ringer settings are not on silent or too low. Move handset closer to base, reduce interference from other devices and reset the system by unplugging and reconnect power. If issue persists, test with another phone to rule out service problems, delete programmed area codes that may interfere with incoming calls, consider replacing the battery or sanding the device for repair if all else fails. For ongoing problems, contact VTech customer support on your telephone service provider for specialized assistance and troubleshooting. Why VTech DECT 6.0 phone not receiving calls? The VTech DECT 6.0 phone may not receive calls due to silent or low ringer settings, base, handset distance issues, or service provider problem, example NBN, VMWI signals. Interference from electronics, faulty wiring, or a depleted battery could also block incoming calls. Test with another phone to rule out device issues. Fix 1. Check ringer volume. Ensure the ringer volume is not set to silent or too low. If it is on silent mode, you will not get notifications when the device receives calls. Alternatively, press menu or select, press arrow button to ringer volume and press menu or select. Use or to adjust volume to high level, press menu or select to confirm. Setting is automatically saved when you stop pressing button. To check base volume, ensure the volume is not in use. Press the setup button on the base. Continue pressing setup until you hear the current ringer volume settings announced. Press skip or repeat to cycle through volume option. HI high, LO low and off is off. When you hear high, either press setup to save. Press play or stop to save and exit setup mode. Fix to check connections. Ensure the phone line cord or power adapter are securely plugged into the telephone base and wall outlets. Ensure the telephone is on and able to get caller tune. Check that the phone line cord or power adapter are securely plugged into both the telephone base and wall outlet. Confirm the telephone base is powered on and receiving a dial tone. If you have another phone, replace the current one with it and check for incoming calls to rule out a device problem. If the replacement works fine, you need to replace the device or send it for repair. Fix the check handset distance. Move the handset closer to the base station to ensure it is within range. Ensure the handset is within the recommended range of the base station, typically up to 50 meters indoors or 300 meters outdoors. Avoid physical obstructions like walls, furniture, or metal objects between the handset and base station. Minimize interference from nearby electronic devices like routers, microwaves, or other cordless phones. Test the connection by making a call. If the handset works properly near the base, distance may be the issue. Fix for reset VTech phone. Disconnect the battery from the handset, unplug the power adapter from the telephone base, wait for a few minutes, reconnect the power adapter to the telephone base, reinstall the battery in the handset, place the handset in the base to reestablish the connection, test the phone to see if it's now working properly. Fix 5. Test for service issues. Ensure the telephone line cord is securely connected to both the wall jack and the base station. Replace the VTech phone with another working phone to verify if incoming calls are received. Pick up the handset and check for a dial tone. If absent, the issue may be with the service provider or wiring. If the replacement phone also fails, report the issue to your telephone service provider to resolve any network or line problems. Test the wall jack by plugging in a different phone to rule out wiring issues or damaged jacks. If issue with the device, you need to replace the device by contacting VTech support. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button, and if you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button.